Modern businesses are operating under immense pressure. Across every sector, there is an urgent mandate to integrate artificial intelligence and automation into daily operations, just to remain competitive. But rushing to adopt this technology creates a dangerous vacuum. When companies rapidly automate their client interactions, they often strip out the human element entirely. Trust and personalization vanish, replaced by cold, faceless systems. This leaves executives caught in a difficult paradox. They need the speed, efficiency, and scale of modern automation, yet their actual revenue relies heavily on the relationship-based business principles they are actively automating away. The central task is surviving technological disruption without eroding the foundational trust that makes a business valuable to its clients. Navigating this tension requires someone with a long memory of digital shifts. Tony Slavin has been solving web architecture problems since 1998. He founded allaboutwebservices.com during the early days of the internet. Over the following 2 decades, he evolved his strategies as the web transitioned from static pages into complex, algorithm-driven environments. That steady adaptation allowed him to scale his operations significantly, managing over 300 international WordPress sites and providing digital strategy for brands like Maple Leaf Sports and Entertainment. Looking at his 27 years of data, a clear methodology emerges. Digital transformation is an act of integration. The technology serves to amplify the workforce, not replace it. Before any advanced artificial intelligence can be deployed, a business requires a highly secure, scalable foundation. AI is entirely dependent on the ecosystem it operates within. In practice, this often means untangling years of technical debt. Slavin's approach focuses on migrating fragmented, legacy platforms into a robust, modern WordPress environment. This list breaks down the prerequisite elements for growth. At the top are core content management systems like WordPress and OpenClaw. Once secure, the architecture moves into the automation layer. Standardizing repetitive workflows through Kit email and AutoKit automation creates predictable operations. By delegating these low-level tasks to software, the company preserves its human capital. Staff are freed from manual data entry and can redirect their focus toward complex, high-value client relationships. Only when the foundation is solid and the workflows are automated does the strategy move to the highest tier, practical, hands-on AI integration. What this looks like on the ground is the construction of large language model pipelines. A human strategist provides a core input, and the LLM scales that single idea into a comprehensive multi-channel marketing output. But efficiency carries significant risk without governance. Slavin's methodology applies responsible adoption principles, establishing strict guidelines so the tools operate safely within the boundaries of the brand. Slavin develops literacy programs for developers and marketers, ensuring the team is equipped to lead these digital shifts rather than just react to them. Lasting adoption depends on an organization's ability to turn its employees into the active directors of the technology. When an organization successfully balances its tech infrastructure with its human capital, it achieves a distinct operational state. They move with the speed of a modern tech firm while maintaining the personalized service of a traditional business. This map illustrates the efficacy of Slavin's framework across borders. It visualizes his strategic reach, delivering digital systems for organizations in more than 12 different countries. This international footprint demonstrates that the integration model is repeatable, allowing a business to maintain its core operational standards across 12 different markets. Advanced AI is a complex, high-risk tool that requires the steady hand of an experienced executive to manage correctly. The organizations that thrive in the coming decades will be those that master new technologies while continuing to honor relationship-based business principles. To see this toolset in action, executives preparing for their own transition can review Tony Slavin's professional footprint at allaboutwebservices.com, openclaw911.com, and wordpress911.ca.